Let's see how the cats respond to this rolling ball. Chargeable battery, you turn it on here, set it on the ground. Go out and set it near a cat. Hey Coco, check this out. Coco, what do you think of that cat toy? Grab this thing from underneath the tractor. Say, I was expecting more. Are you sure you don't like the cat toy, Coco? You're kind of interested. Maybe? Don't you want to go after it? There it is, go get it. No, you're not really interested?